Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm really glad to have you here.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade the RAM and SSD on the Lenovo IdeaPad 1 15IJL7. This laptop comes with part number 82LX00D7PS, and I'll walk you through the upgrade step by step.
Upgrading the RAM and SSD can significantly improve performance, boot time, and overall system speed. This upgrade is perfect if your laptop feels slow or unresponsive. Before we start, make sure the laptop is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Now let's get started and take a look inside the laptop. Here you can see the RAM slot and SSD location. This model supports standard upgrade options, which makes the process quite simple. That's it for this upgrade. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more laptop upgrade tutorials. See you in the next video.